lang yung family ko dito lang around the area namin.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's actually 9 a.m. na and I am currently attending my first class of the day. And ayun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I have to be productive today. So, hindi pa rin talaga kasi ako tapos sa mga lab reports namin. And I have to finish that. Siguro today. Actually today, meron talaga kaming internal deadline for our group today. So, kailangan na namin matapos yun since deadline is on Thursday. Yeah. And I said yung class ko today except for one subject. Asynchronous lang kami doon. Pero, until 4 yung klase ko. And, kakatapos lang namin mag-attendance. Kanina pa kami nag-attendance. Hi guys. So, it's already 11:40 a.m. And, kakatapos na ng class ko mga 9 minutes ago. And, ayun. So, ngayon, magpapahinga lang muna ako for a bit. And then, gonna eat lunch. And then, siguro, magsa-start na ibang task. And then, papasok ulit. Hi guys, so it's currently 7:15 p.m. and I am editing a video for my PE vlog. Kasi, dalawa yung naging option namin doon. It's either you will make a 3-day vlog or yung ano lang, one day na pag sumama ka dun sa fun run last April 26. Ay, hindi ako sumama. So, sabi ko, gawa lang ng 3-day vlog. Hi guys, so it's actually almost 11 a.m. and I am attending again my class for today. And by the way guys, it's actually a Wednesday na. And ayun, so nagka-problema ako kasi kanina, yun nga, yung morning, I had an experiment. But, for some reason, sobrang dilaw na ng saging namin. Kakabili lang nun kagabi and it was super duper green. So, I was shocked na dilaw na siya by now. So, ayun, bibili na lang ulit ako ng bagong saging. So, sa bahay na lang yung saging na yun. So, ayun, bibili ako ng bagong saging para green pa talaga. Basta today. Today ko siya magawa. Kasi if tomorrow it's gonna change, it can affect the whole experiment. So, ayun, bibilin lang ako ng saging later. Hi guys. So, ngayon, bibili na ako ng saging. Meron naman malapit na bilihan dito and hopefully meron siyang green na saging. Kasi yun talaga yung kailangan. Kailangan unripe talaga. And, ayun, 5:18 na. So, hindi na ganun kainit yung araw. Sakto na lang siya. And mahangin. Hi guys, medyo naging successful naman. May nabili na ako. May mga parts naman dito. Ay, may mga saging naman dito na green. So, okay na yun. Kasi kailangan ko lang naman is 6 pieces. Then, the rest sa bahay na.
Moving on, innovating what the world needs, the promise of food technology where curiosity goes beyond the plate on 19th May in the year of our Lord 2026.
So, I'm currently here sa Starbucks sa SM Manila. Is going to study for my quiz tomorrow sa Food Micro Lab and Food Prep Lab. So, medyo madaming coverage yung both labs. So, I need to start studying na right now. And it's currently 3:36 p.m. So, ayun. I just ordered ano ba to? Sorry, nakalimutan yung pangalan niya. Pero, it's like my usual now. It's the shaken black tea, ice black tea with ruby grapefruit and honey. So good, guys. Mas favorite ko na siya compare sa mango dragon fruit nila. Finally done with this week.
So, imi-meet ko lang yung family ko dito lang around the area namin. So, ayun. It's already 4:23. And guys, patapos na ako sa mga lahat ng ganap ko. I just need to answer one of my quizzes na due tomorrow.
Hi guys, so I am currently watching second to the last episode of Perfect Crown. So finale na niya mamaya. Like, ang dami ng ganap sa kanya. Had ako perfect count, guys. And it's the last episode tonight. And I am hoping and expecting a happy ending for this series. Kasi, feeling ko deserve siya talaga 16 episodes. Pero, syempre 12 lang. Ayun. Tapos, guys, mind you, kumanta na OST si Beyond Wasok for this final episode. So, I am so excited to hear the full version of it.